Okay guys, so I managed to get my hands on the new sleek highlighting palette, and this one is in Copperplate. I'm so glad that I managed to get this. It's the new addition to the sleek highlight palette family. Don't want to blind you, but here is what it looks like. It's in this gorgeous copper metallic mirrored palette. It's so pretty, and this is what it looks like on the back. Normally they have like the shade names at the back, but this one doesn't seem to have it, so maybe these don't have any names this time around. Yeah, they definitely don't have any names, because even inside the palette the little plastic thing says 1, 2, 3 and 4 rather than having the names. Now the first thing that I noticed when I open this up is the smell. It smells kind of like menthol, like mint. It's really strange. Yeah, it's kind of strange. I don't understand why it smells that way, but yeah, okay. So let's do some swatches. So first we're going to do a swatch of this one here. Then we'll do one of this one here. They're actually really, really pretty. I thought that I was going to be more drawn to this one, but I'm actually more drawn to this one here. Now all of these are powders. Their previous palettes have been a mixture of powders and cream highlights, but this is their first all powder highlighting palette, and that's definitely something that I can appreciate, because I do prefer powders to creams. And what I have found with their previous palettes is that when I swirl my brush in the powder, the kick up gets stuck in the cream, because the cream, it just holds on to anything that touches it. So then when you're trying to use the cream, you've got the residue of the powder in it, so that can be a little bit like So now I'm going to apply this onto my face. I'm going to use this one here, and I'm going to oh, I like that. I'm gonna try this shade. Oh wow. Now I'm going to try this shade here. Oh, no. Okay, I think that this would definitely be a little bit better for people who have a deeper complexion. And I could probably use this on my eyes or on my inner corner, but definitely not for highlighting at all. But maybe I should have known that. And then the last shade. Yeah, the last shade is still a little bit definitely not right for me at all. Be right back. Okay, so with the clean brush, I'm gonna try this shade again, just in case there was some residue of, yeah, that shade is definitely not for me. The first two that I tried are better for me, and I think these two, well, for highlighting, I think these two here are more for like my eyes maybe, because this is just, it's just not right. So I most definitely believe that this is a good palette for people who have medium to deep skin tones. You're definitely gonna get lit with this palette, definitely. So, and I think if you have a light complexion and you wanted to get this, just be prepared to be using it more so on your eyes than anything, because this is not going to give you a highlight. It's going to just be way too pigmented. It's going to be, in my opinion, it's probably going to be a little bit too deep. So if you are a collector of these palettes like I am, and you are of a lighter skin tone, just be prepared for that. But this is definitely like, oh, so pretty. And I like that they came out with a palette which was more geared toward people of color. Oh, I've got a spot coming up there. I really like that they came out with a palette which was more geared toward people of color. They did have another one, I can't remember what it was called, but they did have one which was geared toward people of color as well, but this is like the second one in the collection, I guess. And then some of the other ones were more for lighter skin, and that's fine. I mean, everybody needs something for their skin tone, and I just like that they are being inclusive and diverse and not just bringing out the same shades of the same skin tones. That's what I like. So this palette was $9.99. You can get it at Boots, or you can get it online at Boots. I just found out that Boots purchased Sleek. I went into Superdrug today and I saw that the Sleek stand is gone. It's completely gone, and it's like, where has it gone? And the lady was telling me, oh, it's only available in Boots now, so if you want Sleek cosmetics you need to go to Boots. And I was like, okay. She goes, yeah, because Boots bought Sleek. And I was like, what? They bought Sleek? She's like, yeah, they bought Sleek. Well, since when? She goes, well, it's been about a couple of months now, but we've only just recently had to take down their stands. I was really shocked, but okay, Sleek. I mean, do what you have to do. Anyway, so this is $9.99. It is 9 grams, which is 0.31 ounces, and the shelf life is 12 months. You know that all of those kind of things really don't bother me, but for those of you who like to know how many grams, how many ounces, that's what that is. And I did purchase a second one, so this is my one, this is the second one, which is going to go in the giveaway pile. I've bought so much stuff for the giveaway. It's going to be 2 winners, so make sure that if you do want to be in the chance of winning this palette along with some other stuff, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Okay, so I hope that you found this helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on my socials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.